I am and what I do here. My name is Charlie. I'm a lead technician on the drivetrain area. My work is get all the drivetrain installed on the vehicle as soon as the vehicle came out of the fab. Drivetrain being engine, transmission, transfer case, radiator, brake lines, fuel system, coolant system, everything that make the vehicle move. Challenges to put in an LS3 on a Defender, nothing fits. You have to make everything fits. You have to make everything to work with the Defender. The vehicle never meant to be with a 430 horsepower engine on it. You have to do all the brackets, you have to do fuel system, you have to do all the coolant system to make it work like a brand new vehicle. It's like nothing is bolt on. Everything have to be custom made for the vehicle. It's a huge pressure because I fit the last part of the line. If I get behind, the line starve, and it's a lot. Sometimes I get my stuff kind of late, but I try to push myself farther to get it on time, because if not, the line is gonna stop at the end, and we need to get the vehicle done for the customer.